Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study from class 10 chapter 5 arithmetic progressions exercise 5.3 question 3. We have already seen the third part of these questions. So here we will see the fourth and the fifth part of the questions. I have already explained to you the formulas that you need to use in this question are these three formulas. So you have to see which are the values are given and which formula will be applicable to that. And then you know the last term is equal to an. An meaning is last term. So L is an actually. So let's continue with the fourth part. So here we have fourth term. The third term of a value is there, and then sum of 10 terms are there. Common difference we don't know, and the 10th term a value we don't know. So let's find out d. How to find out, already explained to you in the second part of this sum, how to find the d value. So any of this from this equation, so I told you this is what is the meaning. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So if n value is 3, then it will be 3 minus 1. So this can be written as a plus then 3 minus 1 will give us 2d, which is equal to 15. So a value we don't know, so we'll keep it this as a equation 1. Now from here also we can make same way the equations. So this Sn, okay, this is another equation for a and it is. So Sn value we have to write here. So Sn we know the formula, that is Sn equal to n upon 2a plus n minus 1d, which is equal to 125. So why we are not using the first formula? Because that is first term and the last term is given. Here we don't know the last term is not given to us. So that's why we are not using that formula. We use this formula, and we'll from here we'll draw the equations. So n value we know that n is what? This is n value, right? These are n value. So 10 upon 2a we don't know because we have not found the a, so 2a, then n we know that is 10 minus 1, and d also we don't know, so we'll keep it as it is, which is equal to 125. So if you cancel, we'll get 5 here, then 2a plus 10 minus 1 will give us 9d equal to 125. So let's bring this 5 to the other side. So we'll get 2a plus 9d 125. This is in multiplication. When it comes here, it will become into division. So that will give us 2a 9d equal to, so if you cancel, you'll get 25. So this is equation 2. So we have made two equations here because we don't know the a is not given to us. So we have to find out a value. Even for d to find out, we need two equations. Then only we can use the elimination formula to find out either a or d. So now we have two equations. Okay. Now you see here 1a we have, but then here we have 2a we have. So we cannot eliminate, because for elimination we should have same coefficient. Then we can cancel it. But here 1a is there, here 2a is there. So we cannot totally eliminate this. So for that what we will do, multiply this equation with 2, because we have 2a here. So multiply by 2. So when you multiply by 2, all the equation you have to multiply with 2. So 15, here also by 2. So you will get 2a plus 2 2s are 4d, then 15 into will give 30. So this will become equation 3. So we have equation 1, equation 3, equation 2. So now you can use the elimination method, because here also 2a, here also 2a. So now we can use elimination method for equation 3 and 2 and then get the d value. So elimination method if we use. So we have equation. So from equation 3 and 2. So equation 2 and 3 we will have 2a plus 9d equal to 25. Then 2a plus 4d equal to 30. So then we subtract. So we change this into minus. This will become minus. This will become minus. This gets cancelled. From 9 you minus 4, you will get 5d the equal to here minus you'll have, because the biggest number is in minus, from 30 you minus 25, you'll get 5. So then d equal to, this 5 will come down here, cancel. So d value will get minus 1. So d value we found out. So already we got the d value. So now we have to find out a10. So a10 we can write down a10 equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So a we know, a is a we don't know. Okay, then n we have to get now a value, right? Without a value we cannot find out this. So then we have to put this d value into equation 1, because it's smallest equation. So in equation 1, if we put the d value, we can get the a value. So once you get the a value, then we can find out from here. So let's find out a value. That will be, I'll just continue this side. So putting d equal to minus 1 in equation 1. So equation 1 is a plus 2d equal to 15. So a plus 2d is minus 1, 15. So a plus 2 into 1 will give us minus 2, 15. So a will be here. This minus 2 when comes this side will become plus. So a value will be 17. So we got the a value 17. So now you can put it here. So 17 plus n is what? 10 minus 1. D we know minus 1. So 17 plus 10 minus 1 will give us 9. And then you have here in multiplication minus 1. So 17, then this will give us 9 into minus 1 will give us minus 9. So then 17 minus 9 will give us 8. So a10 is 8. So that's our answer. So now let's see the fifth one. So now the fifth sum, d value is there, s9 is there, a we don't know, a9 we don't know. So here you see, we know the d value s9a and a9 is there. A9 we have to find out, a value we have to find out. So here we can use this formula, that is Sn n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. This formula we can make use of it because we know the d value, then n we know, n is what, 9, then n we know, so Sn is 75 is given to us. So we have Sn value, we have the n value, we have n value, we have d value. So only a value to find out. So directly from this formula we can find out the a value. So S9, so n is 9 upon 2, then 2a plus n is what? N is 9 minus 1, d is given to us 5. So 9 upon 2, 2a plus 9 minus 1 will be 8. 8 into 5. 8 into 5. Let's write down 8 into 5. So 9 by 2. 2a plus 8 into 5 will give us 40. So now let's this is S9 is given to us. S9 is 75. So 75. So now what we can bring this to this side. 9 upon 2 to this side. So when it comes here, this division will become multiplication and the multiplication will become into division. So 75 into 2 will come up, 9 will come down. Then we have 2a plus 40. So now this is in multiplication. 75 into 2 when you multiply, or we can divide also with the table 9. 75 will come, or table 9 will not come, table 3 will come. 3 times 9, and then 2 3s are 6, 1 is carried forth, 5 times 3, 15. So then 25 into 2 will give us 50 upon 3. So 2a plus 40. So now let's bring this 40 to this side. So we have 50 upon 3 plus 40 will come this side, becomes minus 40. So here in denominator nothing is there, we'll consider 1. So now to get here 3, both sides will multiply with 3. So we'll get here 50 minus, here both the side we multiply with a 3, then we'll get 3 0, 12. So here we'll get 3 to 2a. So now from 50 minus 120 will give us minus 70 upon 3 2a. Then if we cancel this, or we have 2 here, so let's bring 2 this side, minus 70. This is here in multiplication, so when it comes here it will become into division. So a we have, because we have to find out the a value. So now with 3 or with 2 we can cancel 2. 3 times 2 6, 1, 5 times 10. So we will get minus 35 upon 3. So a value is minus 35 upon 3. So now let's find out the a9, because we got the a value. So we got the a value, now we have to find out a9. So a9 will be an equal to a plus n minus 1d. So an means a9. A value we know minus 35 upon 3 plus n we know n is 9. Yes, n is 9 because this is n minus 1. D value we know, that is 5. So minus 35 upon 3 plus 9 minus 1, 8. 8 into 5 will give us 40. So here in denominator we don't have anything, so we'll consider that there is 1. So both sides multiply with 3. Then we will get 120 upon 3. So now minus 35 plus 120 upon 3 will give us 120, 35, 5, become 1, become 8. So we'll get 85 upon 3. So this is a9 equal to 85 upon 3. So that's our answer. That's it. Thank you and God bless you. The remaining ones we'll see in the next video.